river. They're actually swimming. It's very deep. What a sight.
Crocodile.
Oh my god, there's a splash.
Oh my god.
There's a splash.
Yeah.
Oh my god, the croc has gotten dogs. There's some more coming.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
There seems to be never a dull moment around this campsite.
It was an early Thursday morning in May.
On this particular morning, we were watching 8 wild dogs along the water's edge.
Aluko, you won't believe what's outside our chalet this morning. Wild dogs.
So I just came with my drone and tried to take the pictures and small video clip. It was my first time to use it to do this.
They really want to cross.
After a while, we realized that they were actually wanting to cross the river. They ran up and down the river or the water's edge a couple of times, obviously quite nervous in crossing, but determined. These dogs then spotted a crocodile in the water, which made them even more uncertain. They then moved about 350 meters upstream from where they saw the crocodile in the water, and then proceeded to cross the river. And as can be seen on the footage, with quite disastrous outcome. 3 things that stood out in this video that it was quite interesting. Third one, which is not really visible on this video clip, is how the dogs behaved prior to entering the water. They obviously saw the crocodiles, but then at the same time they weren't certain. There were 2 dogs that was visibly not convinced that this is a good crossing point. They kept on running away, and the lead dog with the other dogs then kept on going to collect these dogs back to the water. But once they were all in the water, they decided that the discipline was there to stick together as a pack. The first thing, the dogs, how they crossed. Once the lead dog entered the water, all the dogs followed, and they huddled together, following the lead dog in a group, presumably for their own safety. The other very interesting observation that we made from this, the crocodiles, on how they seemingly lured these wild dogs into a false sense of security by showing themselves. They surfaced and never went down until the dogs were in deep water, and then homing in onto the dogs.
The crocodiles do not start their journey from the left-hand side of the river until the wild dogs are in deep waters and until it was too late for them to come back. So it was very smart play by the crocodiles. If you notice that by the time the crocodiles reach the wild dogs, they've almost made it to the other side.
And it just goes to show again how magnificent these crocodiles are in their hunting strategy. I mean, this was a deliberate attempt to lure these dogs into a false sense of security, where they then felt safe enough to enter the water, and yet it was too close, and they could quickly home in onto these dogs.
They're going for it. My word.
Yeah. Crocodile.
Oh my god, there's a splash.
Oh my god.
There's a splash.
Yeah.
Oh my god, the croc has gotten dogs. There's some more coming.
Yeah.
Oh my god. The crocs have gotten.
But something's happened. Huh?
Yes.
Iloko cross Chan, and the croc has taken one dog.
Oh my god.
Yeah. Yagat.
Wina.
Another one.
Eh.
Another one. Oh my, can you see the splash?
Yagat.
Disaster.
Apella, mommy.
They haven't managed
Straight.
to cross yet.
Yagat.
No.
Oh my god.
My god, the crocs have got them. There's 4 left.
6 left.
How many left?
6 left.
There's the croc, huh?
Yeah, there's another one, Joma. The croc it's hammering one there.
God, they're swimming back, huh?
The rest of them are swimming back.
Kamozi.
What a disaster.
Kamozi kataka kalipa mwamba.
Yeah.
Oh my god, my camera's off.
What a disaster.
Tuwiri.
Complete disaster.
Tuwiri.
The crocs?
They're the crocs eating the one there on the side there.
Yes, the crocs eating the one. So how many have the crocs gotten so far?
2.
The crocs have gotten 2 so far.
You can see one there
1 cross.
on the bank.
My word.
So there's 3 missing.
See, there's another croc coming on the left.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's coming in, eh?
Yeah, there's another croc coming on the
Too
left.
late, though. It's gonna be too late.
Where's the croc? Oh, there it is.
Yeah, there's a big croc
It's
coming on the
it's
left.
coming.
Wow.
I can only see 3, Dusty. How many can you see?
But one is out. 2 dogs were killed. On the video footage, we can see 2 dogs killed, potentially a 3rd dog. We're not sure. And it just goes to show again how magnificent these crocodiles are in their hunting strategy. I mean, this was a deliberate attempt to lure these dogs into a false sense of security, where they then felt safe enough to enter the water, and yet it was too close, and they could quickly home in onto these dogs and kill 2.